So TikTok made me buy a thing, and I'm gonna try it out with you all today. Oh my god, it finally came! I have never bought something off of TikTok or Instagram or anything so freaking fast. Today, I'm going to be demoing and reviewing for the first time ever this little tool that I discovered thanks to TikTok, the Crease Piece. If you want to see my honest thoughts and feelings about this, watch me use it for the first time, then just keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Jessica of the blog Miss More Style. Here on YouTube, I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. Make sure to click that red subscribe button if you are interested in those topics, and ding the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. You might as well give this video a big thumbs up because I'm about to bring you the realness about the Crease Piece. I don't know about you, but I spend so much of my time and efforts watching YouTube beauty tutorials, trying to learn how to do a cut crease. Now, if you're not really quite familiar with what a cut crease is, I'll insert some photos, some examples for you, but basically what it is a makeup technique where you cut out a bigger crease on your eyelid than what you naturally have, and then that creates like a more like eye-opening, bigger, more dramatic eye look, especially for people like me who have hooded eyelids. When I put on like really fun eyeshadow, I find that whatever I put on my eyelid, whatever color I put, you can never see it until I blink my eyes. So cut creases are kind of something that I've been really trying to master, do more like dramatic, more going out type of makeup looks so that you can see all the fun colors that I applied. Now, I'm not good at cut creases. I'm actually terrible at them, and they take me so long to do. When Brittany, who's the founder of this company who created this, popped up on my TikTok feed, it was like kismet. She's a fellow YouTuber. I will put her channel right here so you can check it out. She went viral because I guess she made a video where she used a spoon to cut a crease, and that's what helped her invent this revolutionary, or we will see if it's revolutionary, new tool. This is $19, and I believe like a couple more dollars with shipping. Let's get into this. As you can see, I've got my face done, I've got my brows done. All that is left to do are my eyes. Gonna go ahead and get going on this. So when you get your Crease Piece, you open it up, and I've already taken the liberty of popping on one of the crease pieces to the tool. But you basically get this handle, you get one of those, and then you get 3 sets of different shapes for your crease that basically fit onto this. So you get a right and a left of a round, an almond shape, and a wing. Today I'm just going to do the round shape and try to do a more natural look, and then I will attempt to do the 2 other shapes later in this video with a different eye look, and we will just see how they go. When you get this, the little crease pieces come with like a little adhesive back right here. One mistake that I've already made is I already attached this one and tossed out the little plastic protector piece that like protects the adhesive when you're done with it. For people like me who just can't help themselves, it comes with some replacement adhesive protectors so that you can make sure that when you're done with each piece and you take it off, you place the little protector on it to keep the stickiness there. When you're done using it, they're like silicone, so you can remove them, wash them, and then put the adhesive protector back on the back, and it will maintain the integrity of the adhesive. I've heard some mixed reviews about that. I've seen a review where it didn't last. We're gonna see how this goes. I've got the left on, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with my left eye. I'm gonna be using this new palette that I just received from Crease Cosmetics, which is a makeup brand that I had never heard of before, but they just sent me some PR. This is their Neon Earth Slim Eyeshadow Palette, and to be honest with you, I hope the formula of this is fantastic because look at these shades. This might be my new go-to everyday / traveling palette because it literally has all the shades in there that I would want to have in one place when I'm traveling. Let's hope for the best, shall we? Basically, what you want to do when you use this is you take the crease piece and you stick it in your eye, and you stick it right over your natural crease. So for me, that's going to be like right there, I guess, right? And then you just go at it. And what they suggest is you start with your darkest color with your thinnest brush, and then you work outward to your lightest color with your biggest brush. Before I get going, I'm just gonna take a nice big fluffy brush and go into this very light color, which is called Wind. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put that all over my lid to set the primer that I've already put down on my eyelids before we get going here. Here goes nothing. None of my brushes have been washed in 1 million years. Ahead and take this Eclipse color right here, which is the darkest color in this palette, and I'm gonna do that into my crease. Place the crease piece like so, and then let's see what happens. You just kind of like trace it in there. Oh, okay. As you can see, it did create a very defined crease. So I'm just gonna put this back. Probably shouldn't have removed it before I was done, but I did. Now I'm gonna blend this out because that looks a little crazy and I was going for something a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush right here, which is a bit bigger and fluffier. This color right here, Gravity, which is like kind of a nice warm nude color. I'm just gonna use this brush and try to blend out that harsh line. It's kind of hard to see. I'm really not sure about this. So I hope this doesn't look insane when I'm done. Okay, let's see. I look crazy. I don't know if I put the crease a little bit too high, or if maybe the round shape is just not good for me. But I think the almond shape is going to be the better shape for my eyes, just because I feel like I look absolutely crazy like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab the right almond shape, and we're going to try the almond on the other eye and just compare them. And what I'll probably end up doing is just wiping off my left eye and redoing it, which hopefully this one, I can make this one work better for me. So you basically just take that sticky part onto the curved handle and you just stick it right on. So this one is going to fit into my eye like so. And I think I'm not going to go quite so high with it. So I'm going to hold it just like that. It's a little bit uncomfortable to get used to with your eye. Let's try this again, people. Of course, the TikTok makes it look so easy. It makes my contacts like not know what to do at first. Whew. Honestly, don't know. I'm either doing this wrong or I feel like I needed to pull it a little bit more like this. The other thing too is the adhesive is not that good. See how it's like peeling off? I'm gonna go in my bathroom and wipe these off, and I'm gonna try to do this off camera properly. And if I still can't do that, then I will come back and report back either way, but be right back. Here is the completed look. I have to say it took me quite a while to figure it out. I got the right eye pretty well the first time. The left eye, full disclosure, I had to wipe off what I did and redo it probably 3 times before I got it right. But I think I learned some key things to sort of help you apply it correctly, and I think I was doing a couple things wrong. I'm going to show you another look with the almond shape. We'll try out the almond shape, and I'll give you guys some of my tips how to use these a little bit better on that one. So keep watching. Here goes. Okay, let's try this again. So I'm going to try and one more look with you guys using the wing shape attachment. For this, I want to kind of do like a more colorful, bright look. I'm wearing a hot pink sweater because that is the vibe we are going for today. Using the James Charles Morphe palette. Yet to ever dip into these shades down here, so we are going to try them with this look. I'm going for like a pinky purpley look. May accent it with this new Pop Beauty Light Show palette in Slay that I got in PR a couple months ago that I also have not yet touched because I put a headband on so that I can keep my hair out of my face. Hey, there she go. Okay, you can see it is nicely attached. It stays like this. Oh, here's what I did wrong the first time. You have to make sure that you put it kind of low enough because sometimes you feel like you want to put it higher, but then when you put it higher, then it's going to go even higher. So what you want to do is just place it into your eye and just make sure that you're not, when you're getting too close to your eyebrow, that's when you know it's not good. So this is my natural crease right here. So I'm going to stick it basically, and it's going to sit right above that. So I don't know. I have a good feeling about this one. I think this one's going to work out the best. A stiff round brush. I do this purple color, which Escape. I'm really bad at being a beauty YouTuber. I just want y'all to know that. I'm just trying to have fun. That's it. I want to apply some pressure with this thing because, oh yeah, really? Okay, so we're just gonna like swoopy swoop this color. Seems harsh. So I'm gonna go ahead and take another brush and just try to blend that out a little bit. And I have to say, this shape is the least irritating so far to my eyes. The next little purpley shade over that's a little bit lighter, I'm going to go ahead and start blending out that darker color with this lighter color. And that seems really nice, actually. I like Bob Ross when I do this. Happy little crease. It's kind of dark. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. So I'm going to take a fluffier brush, go into this hot pink color. Look at that. That is so bright. I mean, that is fun though. It's fun. Moment of truth. It like really makes my contact, like if you wear contacts, like you have to kind of let your contact readjust itself after you have been pushing on your eyeball with this thing. Oh, just give it a second. Contact has finally recentered itself on my eye. I don't think it looks terrible, actually. I think the actual shape of it looks really cool. Obviously, you can see out here, I'm going to have to clean that up a little bit, but I think as far as the shaping goes, not bad. What I like to do now that I have the shape basically done, carefully try to like blend out the colors. Shout out to everyone who's ever commented on my YouTube videos saying that I look better with less makeup. Today's not that day, but I appreciate you, I see you, and you make me feel so warm inside when you say that. I'm gonna take this little light pink pastel color and try to blend this all out. So now that shape is done, we get to go ahead and have fun with the lid. The world is my oyster, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go for the gusto. This is gonna be like a full glam look, even though there's nowhere to go. It is COVID still, but we're gonna do it just for the camera. Wow. Now that we've got that glitter applied, I want to sort of join the outer corner to the top of the cut crease. So what I want to do to achieve that is grab an angle brush, go into that deeper purple that I used for the darkest line, take the angle brush, literally stick it up at an angle, and at this point I want to sort of do a wash of this dark color to like going back to like a little bit more light colors. Oh, my brushes are dirty. I'm gonna go into this next purple, sort of working in the same order that I did when I drew the crease out. Well, I have a lot of cleaning up to do here and I need to do the other eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and do those off camera, and then once I'm done, I will come back, show you my completed look, and then I will give you my final thoughts and feelings on the crease piece. All right, so my eye look is done. Obviously it's not perfect. I don't profess to be a professional, but as you can see, I have a perfectly cut crease. I personally would never have been able to achieve this like level of matchingness and precision with my own hands. I'm not capable of that. So I'm pretty impressed. Now, let's just talk for a second about the different looks that I did. So I started with the round shape. That was a mess. I think that one was a mess because I put the crease I put it too high on my eyelid. And I think as I used the other shapes, I sort of learned that you need to bring it down a slight bit. Like it needs to literally make sure that you go right in, right above your natural crease. Otherwise, the closer it gets to your eyebrow, the crazier you're gonna look. I also do think that some of these shapes might not be for everybody's eye shape. So I don't know if the round shape is actually like gonna look good on my eyes because of the shape of my eye. I tried the almond shape. That was quite a bit better for me and I like that a lot, but I have to say I think that the wing is surprisingly like my favorite shape, and I think this looks the best on my eyes. And you guys can comment down below and let me know what you think, if you liked this look better than the almond shape that I did. But obviously this is like super extra than the one that I did before, but I think just the shape, the actual shape of the crease flatters my personal eye shape the best. I'm so glad that I tried all three shapes and I kind of like forced myself to play with it more, because I was pretty scared at first that this was not going to be like a good product. I was just like, oh my God, like, you know, when you buy something and you're so excited for it to work and then it doesn't? That didn't happen here, thank God. Is this worth $20? I think yes. If you struggle to do cut creases and you struggle to make them look professional, then I think that you should do this. And this is so extra. Like, I feel like such a, like, glamazon right now. I mean, can quarantine be over? Because I feel like I'm looking at myself. I, like, haven't worn this much makeup in, like, a year almost, and I don't even, like, recognize myself. I'm like, who is that? Who is she? Someday when we're able to go and like get really glammed up, this is going to be so awesome. And I think you could even definitely use this one and all of them in a really much more natural way that isn't so crazy. If you're interested in seeing like maybe some more natural looks, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, because I'm definitely planning on doing another version of this video where I create different looks over on my IGTV, and by then I'll be a little bit more pro at using them, so go find me there. The only thing that I wish is that the design of it didn't rely on these adhesives, because they're not really doing that well. I've only used each of them like once. So that's really my only complaint, is that, and the fact that my contacts get really irritated after I take the thing off. And be that as it may, I have to say this is a great product. It gets 2 thumbs up for me. Amazing product, Brittany. You did great. And I'm so excited to have this and just be so much more like bomb at my eye looks from now on. Thanks so much for watching. Before you go, make sure that you check out this video right here. I think you'd be super into it. And then you might like this one right up there too. Check out another video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.